In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your phone number on Discord. If you want to add an extra layer of account verification and make sure your Discord account is properly set up, this process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. To begin, open Discord and go to your dashboard. This is the main screen where you can see your servers, direct messages, and account area. Once you're there, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen where your profile section appears. Next, click the gear icon beside your profile. This will open your user settings. This area contains your main account options, including your personal information and security-related settings, so it's the place where you'll manage your phone number as well. After that, stay in the account information section and find the phone number field. You should see an option that says Add next to it. Click Add to start the phone verification process. Discord uses this step to connect your phone number to your account, which can help with account recovery and certain security checks. Now enter your phone number in the space provided. Make sure you select the correct country code first, then type your number carefully beside it. It's a good idea to double check the number before moving on, because if there's even a small mistake, the verification code may be sent to the wrong place or may not arrive at all. Once your number is entered correctly, click Send. This tells Discord to generate and send a verification code to your phone by text message. In most cases, the message arrives within a few moments, although sometimes it can take a little longer depending on your mobile carrier or signal. When you receive the SMS, open the message and look for the verification code. Then return to Discord and enter that code into the verification field. Be sure to type it exactly as shown in the text message so the system can confirm your number successfully. And that's it. Once the code is accepted, your phone number will be verified on your Discord account. If the code doesn't show up right away, give it a moment and make sure your phone can receive text messages. Following these steps carefully should help you complete the setup without any issues.